What's good, park hopping? This is Jay. Oh yes, another vlog. Haven't done one of these in a minute, but just wanted to show you some of the construction for Halloween Horror Nights because it's starting this month in August. See, they're getting ready for some scare zones. Look at that. Somebody had the name of this scare zone online. Sadly, I have forgotten. But usually this area is the darkest and they pump in the most smoke. So, interesting. It's a busy day here. It is a Saturday. Oh, look at that. There'll be something up there for sure. It's kind of like the swamp. It's about 6 p.m. and the park is still pretty packed here over the summer on a Saturday. As you can see, surprised they don't have anything set up here. This is usually where they have a lot of the food booths. And last time there was like a Chucky photo op right here across the water. So that's not ready to go yet, but it looks like they're getting prepared. These are the lights. Some scaffolding that we're already talking about Halloween. It's, what is it, like August 5th, 6th, something like that? Early August. Looks like this is gonna be a video on scaffolding. Pardon our dust. Maybe they'll put a meet and greet or something here. Who knows, hard to say. This is also a scare zone that you walk through the San Francisco area. This one's a little more of a tight squeeze. Not my favorite scare zones throughout the years. But look at this from Blumhouse. Stop to Diagon Alley. You can see everybody's standing in preparation of the giant fire-breathing dragon. Oh, it might happen. Yep, here we go. It's always a cool thing to see. Always. Hope everybody got a good photo. I'm not sure what's going on up there, but something's happening. Ain't that right?
Look, Pete.
Oh my god, I love him.
Yeah, so it's 7:30 and the place is still packed. And what they do here for Halloween is they turn all the lights off and they have like Death Eaters walking around. So for any Harry Potter fan, it's pretty awesome. It's like green mist they pump in this land in Diagon Alley, and they still have the flame shooting. So it's quite a unique experience if you've never done that. One of the last few things about Jaws. Amity Island Lobster Company still left it up. That's kind of cool. So let's get a closer look at that scaffolding. Again, this scare zone, they usually have a giant, oh look, I don't know if they're practicing the lights, but maybe. Usually they have a giant stage right here and they have some performers and stuff. It's kind of cool. The only problem is it's just like it's really narrow to walk and it gets really bunched up. So it's hard to get scared because there's just so many people. But they're getting ready. I hope they get this finished soon. This was one of my favorite bars and they have such a cool drink here, the Shark Bite. But again, this is the other side of the Blumhouse scare zone. Blumhouse has always been a favorite here at Halloween Horror Nights. So I'm only wondering what they're doing here. It definitely is a stage for characters to be up here and greeting people. Oh, look at that, on the other side, there is the Blumhouse sign. No, they are really pushing the Jaws merch and I couldn't be happier. Salt and pepper shakers, tumbler mugs. I want it all. Down here at Universal because it's about 15. Still really packed. But this is definitely not scaffolding. Usually they had like a dead body here and they had someone cutting up a dead body. How much I love the Jaws stuff. Look at that. You can get a Shark head for $750. And I mean like underwear, briefs, socks, all kinds of stuff. Bottle openers, shirts, tags, lunch boxes, headbands. You can even smell what Jaws smells like. Swimming trunks, hats, shirts. I'm gonna show you some of the merch. Look at that. They got pumpkin plushies already ready. I don't even know what that costs. 30 bucks. You get a pumpkin plushie in your home. Look at that. Some of these shirts. They used to have an orange shirt here that was awesome. But they're already starting with the merchandise. Here it is. This is the shirt I was talking about. I can only imagine what that looks like under a black light. And because it's 33 years of Halloween Horror Nights, they're selling this shirt for $33. It's kind of neat. Going all out. You can even have your home smell like Halloween Horror Nights. I don't know what that smells like. It smells like death. So, actually, no, it's kind of fruity. I don't know. So you got to smell it for yourself. Those fans are very helpful in the humidity. But let's see. We even got the souvenir tumblers. Look at that. They are ready. It's the first week of August and it's Halloween ready. Christmas ornaments. $20. Well, they're going all out. Oops. I'll put that back in just a second. You got luggage tags. Oh, no. How silly of me. This is where you put your ticket. So if you got one of those fast passes, you can just pull it, show your ticket, skip the line like I always do. So, and we got some more scaffolding. This is why you guys subscribe to this channel. As you can see, it's 9:30 and the park's getting ready to close. Look at all the people still here. This is the last bit of scaffolding for Halloween Horror Nights when you come in, and they're getting ready. Is anybody here coming to Halloween Horror Nights this year in Orlando? Because it starts in August. Pretty soon, this thing's gonna get so popular, it's just gonna be 6 months. It's just gonna be open for 6 months. So look at all these people. Packed August night. That's it. Haven't done one of these vlogs in a while. Let me know in the comment section below if you made it this far. If you'd like to see more of these, and I'll get them done for you. Let me know.